How to get Tabby cash loan? Is it possible? Apply Tabby loan. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get the Tabby cash loan. So for that, you have to know the eligibility. Like you must be 18 years or older. You need to be a resident of the United Arab Emirates, and a valid national ID is required. You'll need a valid debit card or credit card linked to your Tabby account to facilitate the payments. A good credit history is generally a factor in determining eligibility. So to use the Tabby app or in-store app map to find retailers that accept Tabby, and at checkout choose Tabby as your payment method, and then Tabby allows you to split your purchase into multiple payments, typically interest free, and you can track your payment schedule and make payments through the Tabby app. And Tabby offers a cashback program also, particularly with the Plus plan, where you can earn cashback on your purchases. You can redeem your cashback balance after paying your statement. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.